Hey guys, we're at the Linq Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are in the 20th floor, room 20007. District 1 is the floor. This is a king bed. So when you first come in, here is the bathroom. It has like a sliding barn door. There's blow dryer. They don't give you like the little individual amenities, so here's hand wash and lotion. And then here's the shower. Really clean shower. It's a small room. It's a very old hotel. It used to be Imperial Palace, so it's small. The parking garage, the spaces are tiny, but they did a good job. There's some interesting looking artwork. So then here's a full-length mirror on the barn door. So when you walk in, there's like a really slim desk up against the wall. TV, little sitting area. So here's our gorgeous view. There's like a little bit of the high roller up over there, but that's the rest of the Linq. And it's got like this cool artwork all against this wall. Hopefully we hit a jackpot. King bed. And then over here, it's like a little closet area, ironing board, hangers, safe, and is there, yep, mini fridge. So all in all, it's a really small room, but it's clean, you know, it does the job. So if you like this video, stay tuned for more. We have lots of other Vegas videos. Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.